Hello everyone on our channel, and this is the rubric Men's Cuisine. Today I'm going to cook mackerel roll stuffed with carrots. Without any roasting, boiling, any vegetable oil. Very fast and as usual very tasty. Enjoy it! For this special dish I will need Atlantic mackerel. It is more greasy, so it will be more tasty. 3 carrots, about spices, dry onion, chopped paprika, chopped black pepper and salt, and nothing else. So our first step, we will need pot. I will fill it with warm water, put there 3 carrots and send it on fire for boiling. And approximately 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Send it under cold water towards full coolness. So next step. Take fish, we will get it ready. Behind the fin. Cut the head. Cut the tail like this, and straight on the back make an incision. Turn it on another side and again straight on the back make an incision. You see? Very easy. Taking away the spine, entrails, and just wash it under the water stream. Without any bones, clean fillet. Taking another fish and making the same steps. Head, tail, and making the same incision on the fish back. Turn it into another side. Look, here we go. Fillet has been washed and cleaned with paper towels. This is how it looks. Very nice. Inner black tape eliminates very easy, also with paper towels. Right now I will need to remove fins that remained. Just take scissors and repeat after me. Fillet done. Taking our mix of spices, mix them together and just cover it. Just like that. Very beautiful, isn't it? So right now I will roll it up. Take preparing fillet with spices. Add here dry onion. You could also use dried fried onion, but dried one is better because it is without any fat. Right now, taking prepared and starting to roll up our fish. Very tight like this. After that, just prick it with toothpick. And here, roll is done. Inner natural fat will remain inside. That is why we've just cut it straight on its back. Put it on preparing baking sheet in such way that toothstick will be on the downside. Taking another one and repeat the previous process. We should send our rolls into the oven, 200 degrees Celsius, for 15 maximum 20 minutes. I have oven mode convection for forming such golden crust, but be oriented on your own oven. For mine, 15 minutes will be quite enough. And just waiting 15 minutes. For you it will be as usual, immediately. Done? Getting it away. What a wonderful smell! Atlantic mackerel roll done. Baked with beautiful golden crust and smell. It will definitely decorate any table. You could serve it hot as well as cold. I will show you my sample of serving it. You should know how it must look. Without any oil, mackerel imbued, carrot and dry onion, and they in return gave very special taste for our mackerel. So now we could serve it. Mackerel roll with carrots. It cooks very fast and tasty. Just make happy your clothes and family. on any celebration day or without any special reason. Thank you for watching. Point like slightly below. Subscribe for not missing anything interesting. See ya. Have a